go back to Suryagini on this. Suryagini, and if Ajay Nath can also hear me. Ajay, can you hear me? क्या मेरी आवाज आपको आ रही है? Suryagini, you tell me this. I see chairs being heard. Now, this is unusual also because spontaneous protests don't have these chairs. Was there possibly an event or a sitting agitation that was being planned? Because I wonder where these chairs are coming from.
Well, Pooja, as per our colleague who's on the ground in Bhubaneswar, Ajay Nath, who was reporting from there, from the spot where this, where the protest was happening. This was a march. This was a called planned march to the assembly gates, as we have been mentioning. That yes, it was also about women's safety in the state of Orissa. The Congress workers and leaders were protesting against the safety of women, the condition of the safety of women in the state of Orissa, and also with the fact that all of their MLAs were suspended because they were raising these issues. This is what the Congress has claimed for the past couple of days, that their suspension was basically because of they were trying to raise these issues that lead, that cater to women, that cater to the safety, law and order of in the state. However, as we have been mentioning, Pooja, that as they were suspended, this march was called for two reasons. One, as all of their leaders were suspended, and secondly, for the law and order situation of the state, where the Congress cites that women and children, especially daughters and sisters, are not really safe. This is what their take has been. Following which, this rally was called to protest in front of the Bhubaneswar assembly. Now, as we have been saying, there are certain procedures which the entire country follows. You are generally not allowed to let a protesting crowd or a protesting rally walk till the gates of any assembly of any state. And that is where, somewhere in the middle, they were stopped, and this led to this, violent clash between the cops and the Congress workers. And what we have gathered from our, people on ground is that they have been able to, disperse the mob over there. Initially, it was water cannons were used to make sure that the people are dispersed. But following which, when these chairs were hurled on the cops, lathi charge was used, force was used to make sure that situation doesn't escalate and some kind of a de-escalation is seen. Back to you.
Suryagini, stay on with me because we are looking at these reports. Remember, in many ways, visuals like these haven't been seen in a long time. There have, of course, been protests that have come in, but I want to bring in Bhakt Charan Das. He's the president of the Congress unit right now. What is the reason? What exactly happened? Tell me, Mr. Bhakt Charan Das, that it has led to this kind of violence.
Exactly, the Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa replied in a question in the Assembly that 44,823 women and infants were missing since 5 years. And during their regime, in this 9-month period, the missing and of infant and women number is 20,000. And in between, 1,600 women atrocity cases has happened. There are 54 gang rape were there. And recent days, these 4 or 5 days, there has been another gang rape, and 60 gang rape has happened in Orissa. So our MLAs protested in the House. They spoke, they presented during 0 hour and through adjournment motion. In spite of that, the government was silent, didn't reply anything. Our MLAs wanted a House committee of all parties to be formed to visit this spot and find out the permanent measures in the state that no such occurrence should happen in the future. 6th class girls are pregnant. 2 girls are pregnant in 6th class. 3 girls in 10th class are pregnant. 1 girl in 10th class delivered a child in the exam hall. Such type of horrifying things. 5-year-old girl was raped, gang raped, and she was murdered. Then 1 girl was raped and she was burnt, and she was thrown in the well. So several such incidents happened in Odisha.
Very disturbing incidents. Yes, you're telling us it's responsibility of the government.
Very emotional. I spoke it in the PC in Congress Bhavan in Delhi also, and my in charge, Mr. Laluji, was also there. After that also, we have been saying in the press, media, we hear out all the district collectors,
Sir, but
Chief Minister
yes,
House three
Mr.
times.
Bhakta Charan
But
Das,
they are
here's my
not- they are
question to you.
totally
Yes,
silent.
no, I totally understand your sentiment here that you're saying. However, when we look at these visuals, for example, coming in, you've also appealed for peace from your own party workers, but throwing chairs at the cops and then clashing with the cops. Do you think that's a fair way to protest?
I am very sorry to say, I had declared that no stones should be pelted on the police force or anybody. Our boys have not done, our workers have not done that thing. They immediately started lathi charge and threw this water over the people, then gas, tear gas, they fired. So many things they did. And 5-7 persons who were admitted in the hospital, they had gone to the hospital. Brutally, 2 persons are very seriously admitted. They were bleeding like anything. So such things have happened. We were peaceful. They stopped all our buses.
How will the Odisha Congress take this ahead? Because if this clash continues, there will be more detentions. Do you think your own issue that you're saying may just be sidelined? These visuals are gaining the highlight. What will be Congress strategy in Odisha right now?
Then the Congress strategy was a peaceful Vidhan Sabha Gherao. We wanted a House committee. The Chief Minister yesterday replied that this is not an issue that a House committee would be formed. I do not understand that they count that we are spending 70 lakh rupees per day and these people are disturbing the House. But a girl's character, her future is counted into money.
Okay.
This is very painful. They are making Subhadra Yojana. Previous government made Shakti Mission to attract the women to vote for them, but they can't look after the safety of the women.
All right, Bhakta Charan Das, thank you. Yes, thank you very much for your view. He's the Odisha Congress chief, and he's saying that it was not our workers indulging in violence. The police started it, but look at these visuals coming in from on the ground. There's water cannon. There's chairs being hurled. The Congress says we demanded a committee investigation into cases of rape, violence against women, crimes against women, even little girls in Odisha. But because this kind of violence, remember, then is also going to raise an issue by if attacking the cops also will lead to a certain discussion.